Hey, fifth grade, I hope you had a great spring break. We are now starting chapter 3 in health. This is about your digestive system, so it's called your 30-foot long canal. Today we're going over pages 43 through the first part of page 46. So some terms you need to know. You need to know about the alimentary canal. This is the muscular tube through which your food travels. It includes your esophagus, your stomach, your small intestine, and your colon. It starts at your mouth. The breaking down of food into a form that can be used by the body is called digestion. The digestive system includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and colon. They all work together. First, your food is broken into small pieces by chewing. To chew, you have to have your teeth. You have your incisors. Those are your front teeth. They bite and cut the food. Then you have your cuspids. They are next to the incisors. They tear apart coarse fruits, vegetables, and meats. You have your bicuspids. Those are next to the cuspids. And when you're young, they're called your primary molars. Then your adult bicuspids grow in. Those tear and crush the food. Then you have your molars. Those are next to the bicuspids. They grind food into tiny pieces. And your wisdom tooth, if those grow in, are the very last molar in the back. They will probably grow in when you're between 17 and 25 years old, but not for everyone. Your teeth must be hard enough to tear, crush, and grind food. If they are not, then you will have trouble with your whole digestive system. A diet high in calcium helps build strong teeth, so things like milk, cheese, things like that. Brushing your teeth and flossing is very important. The work of your teeth is important for proper digestion. If you can't chew, then you aren't going to be able to get all the nutrients you need. Saliva is a colorless liquid that is produced by your mouth. It helps break down food. Your salivary glands are what produces the saliva. There are 6 of them. They're in your upper and lower jaws and under your tongue. The more you chew your food, the easier it is to digest. Chewing it breaks it down. It mixes with the saliva and breaks down even more. Your tongue helps mix the food with the saliva as you chew. That's why taking care of your tongue is important as well. Make sure you're brushing that when you brush your teeth. Your pharynx, which is a weird word to look at, is your throat. So if you see the word pharynx, it just means your throat. Your epiglottis is a tiny flap of cartilage, which is the same stuff your ear and nose is made out of, that keeps food from going down your windpipe. It keeps it from traveling where the air that you breathe travels. Your trachea is your windpipe, and your esophagus is a long tube between your throat and your stomach. So I know we have a lot of new words, a lot of vocabulary in this chapter. I hope it all makes sense. If it does not, please feel free to reach out to me on Jupiter, on Zoom. Any questions that you have, I'm happy to answer. Stay safe, wash your hands, see you soon.